unbag my groceries. I picked my favorite bag. I can tell it's my favorite. You know why? When I tell you, this is so good. I love it. And then my baby's like this. It is Thursday. Justin is feeling better, but not like all the way yet. So he still doesn't want to sleep in the same room as me. I mean, fine. Just kidding. I got some. Why is the light like that? But if I didn't have this light, it is so dark. Granola bars. Two kinds. Liam says he likes the made good kind. This one, I like it too. It doesn't have to be. Today, I'm making, what am I making? Arroz caldo, because I was going to make salmon, because we do salmon like once a week. But Justin was like, I want more soup. And I was like, well, I don't have no more soup for you, sir. And so, yeah, I decided, I was like, okay, I'll make him soup. I got some. Oh, my sister, she was just saying how the Snapple iced tea don't taste as good as they used to, or it just doesn't taste the same as our childhood. And I said, girl, let me get some. So I did the peach one. And the reason why it does not taste as good as our childhood is because that glass container made it taste good. And you know what else? That Martinelli apple juice, the glass, it made everything good, because there was a risk involved. It's like, oh my gosh, I hope I don't drop it. It's glass. Like, I don't know. The risk made it taste better. I don't know about you. Got some oranges. I'm tired today, and I don't know why, but then I remembered why. Because the day after I got positive, I was negative of the Rona, I said, oh, I'm going to clean the whole house down. I did. And you know what? I forgot I did a clean with me, and I forgot that I edited it. So it's up now if you want to watch it. It's up there. It's on as a reel. So a whole clean with me is there. If you're watching from the vlog, please be like, why, April? Watching from the vlog, why would you do this right after the Rona? Yeah, go ahead and yell at me. It's okay. Now I'm over here tired. I got ingredients. Dang! So I DoorDash my ingredients, my groceries. How come I didn't get the bag? It just came all raw. Okay. Wait a second. I like it in a bag, especially the green onions. You're not going to be raw dogging my green onions like that. Come on. I got some salad. I got, oh my gosh, I'm surprising the boys with chocolate milk. I don't know. Like, we don't really drink chocolate milk often, so it's a surprise. What else we got here? Oh yeah, why did Justin be like, can I have saltines? I was a little insulted because we have Filipino skyflakes. What you mean to tell me you want saltines for? But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. He said he wanted it, so I got it. I got some carrots, got some corn. Gonna cook up the corn tonight with the arroz caldo. Yeah. Tell me why the only time I'm outside is when I get my lashes filled. My girl, she called me. Well, I called her today, exactly when she opened, and I was like, I'm so sorry, I have to cancel my Friday appointment because I have 2 videos that I gotta film, and it just got approved, and so like I gotta film it because like all the other days, and it's due on Sunday, and so like tomorrow is the day. And she's like, that's okay. She's so nice. And I was like, you got something today? Like any last minute? And she's all like, I will call if so. And so she called me. Oh my gosh. I was ready to go out and about with my life with like barely any hanging on for dear life type of lashes. These hung on for more than 2 weeks, I believe. So she does a good job. Hello friends, I'm back. I've been back for a while. Justin wanted soup, so I'm making arroz caldo and some of the fried, garlic. And then I also made some corn. The boys didn't want arroz caldo, so I baked some bacon for them and rice. Justin's here now.
Can we just say for a second how lucky I am for this woman right here? I say offhanded comment, oh, soup would be nice. Oh, let me hop to it. Let me make some soup for you. So.
I'd want to be sick too, let me tell you that, okay? So this is dinner, arroz caldo with some corn and the crispy garlic. And then some cantaloupe and some sky flakes. I mean, no, not sky flakes. He wanted saltines, so I got him saltines. Look at my Mr. Bob. He still likes this. Hello, buddy. Good morning, Mr. Bob. Are you done? Okay. Hello, my friends. Today is Justin's mastermind. First, a car wash. Justin wanted to get our car cleaned. We get some of that hot shine. We have like a subscription for this. Look at how gross this is underneath the...
Why there a finger here?
It's our kid's finger. It's our finger toy. Dang, what is this? The thing about me is I keep my house clean, but my car, I don't know what's under there. The all-weather topper. I had no clue there was so much crap under there. Okay, Clean with Justin, let us know. Let us know, Clean with Justin. We gotta wash that all-weather thingy when we get home, though. Like you know, like power wash it. Yeah. But this all-weather thingy is good for the car when it snows. All the things that we learned living in Minnesota. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
And he's doing this all before his mastermind. Good job, my love. I'm gonna go pick up coffee and pastries here for the mastermind.
Y'all, we made it.
10 minutes, 15 minutes of content real quick.
We are lunch with the crew. Hello, now we're going to dinner. We're all going to Julia's, I think it's what it's called. I didn't change or anything. I'm just wearing the same dress that I've been wearing. Yeah, the mastermind was so awesome. Justin brought in Barrett.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about him? Because I want to talk about him, and he's so awesome.
Barrett is like he's an executive coach, and he works with just some, very large entrepreneurs, and he works more on like psychological stuff.
Yeah, it was so good.
Prevent us from being
Oh
our
my
best.
God. Yeah.
He's amazing.
Yeah, it was so good. And just listening to him, I realized like when my mom passed away, not only was I grieving my mom, but I was also grieving the person that I was before she passed away, because I'm no longer that person, like the driven, like, what's it called, girl boss. Like, that's just not me. Like, everything changed after she passed away, and I didn't realize that that was also something that I was grieving that I didn't know about. Oh shit. I got heels on, y'all. So we're gonna eat there at Julia's. This is Julia, such a beautiful restaurant. This is our table. We made reservations. I heard it's supposed to be really good, like Italian food. So much food. Yeah, 10, yeah, 10. Yeah, and I was like, what? Maple pecan gelato. Hello, friends. Good morning. Today is our 1-year anniversary living here in Minnesota. It is the last day of the mastermind. I mean, the mastermind was yesterday. Today's just a fun day. Justin booked a boat and there's gonna be breakfast. So it's like a brunch cruise, but like we shut down the whole boat, like it's just ours. We just felt like, because it's for the mastermind and also for our family. So I'm excited. We got the crew here. And my Sophie. Hello. That's a beautiful house. Hi friends, it's the next day. Just wanted to say hi and end the vlog. Did you know yesterday was our 1-year anniversary moving here to Minnesota? Yeah, that was fun that we got to do that boat ride with the mastermind friends and some family. And I'm sad Jessica and baby couldn't make it. Jessica wasn't feeling well. It always feels incomplete when it's not like all of us, And I think that's how they felt when we didn't come to Yom Kippur. Yom Kippur is Jewish New Year, and we couldn't go because it was last week on, I think, a Thursday. and Justin was still getting better. I mean, he's good now, kind of, sort of, like, you know, like, he still doesn't have his voice all the way, but, like, he's done great. Like, he did the Mastermind. I mean, his voice is, you know, like I mentioned, not all the way there. But yeah, we missed Yom Kippur. I was supposed to make dessert, but it's okay. They were fine. I wonder what they had for dessert, though. Yeah, I was gonna make a tres leches cake and brownies, because I still have ingredients for the tres leches cake. I don't know how to say it correctly, but I know how to make it correctly, girl. I think my favorite part of the weekend was the Mastermind, for sure. I really love everyone who's in Justin's Mastermind. Like, and my favorite part was Barrett's kind of, I call it group therapy because it felt like it. It was Barrett's, like, he helped us with, like, our mindset, and just, I opened up a lot. Like, Justin did this one-on-one with me, like, kind of like interviewing me about, like, my career. And I talked about how I literally gave up on being motivated in my career when my mom passed away. And it took me, like, how many years? Like 4 years to finally get back into feeling motivated again, which is now cooking videos. But it took me a long time. And I just learned a lot. Barrett mentioned a book called The Edge of Sorrow. So I already downloaded it, and I'm going to listen to it as I drive to my group personal training today. And I'm grateful. Today is Monday, and we're starting our routine, like our regular routine. So it's going to be nice. Like, I'm looking forward to working out again today. And I was actually chatting with my friend Amy. I was like, I barely go. I pay so much money for this training, and, like, I can't even make up all the lost times I had. So I don't even know if it's, like, the right decision to stay. But at the same time, it's my only socializing, and, like, all the people, I really like them. Well, most of them. They're so nice and welcoming. And I don't know, I truly don't know what it would be like if I went somewhere else, because I gotta say, I don't like the racism that I experienced living here. If there's one thing I do not like about Minnesota, is the racism that I personally experienced. And I also think it's classism, because random people who I open the door to my house, and like random people who do maintenance will ask, like, oh, can I talk to the owner? And I'm like, I am the owner. And they are just like, oh, you know, like, in California, I never had that. I would open the door and they would know it's me, because being a person of color and doing okay in life is normal. You know, it's normal in California to be well off, to be, I'm not saying I'm well off, but I'm just saying this area is pretty nice, and the homes are, you know, nice. And so they probably thought, like, I was the house cleaner, which I am, the house cleaner of my own house. But let me not go on a tangent. But long story short, I don't know where I went. I definitely have ADHD, and you guys have known that forever. I just am not on medication for it. I have no clue what I was saying. But I had a wonderful time at the Mastermind. I really loved the group training. Justin and I went through this whole thing, like, communicating about, like, what we thought we wanted in life versus what's going on in life right now. It was just very beautiful. And also the mindset of, like, oh, I'm not doing as well as I wish I could, but then I'm choosing, like, I chose to slow down, and I chose to be a good mom. And I just love that mentality, because it's like, who cares about the other stuff? In the long run, my kids are going to remember that I was a good mom and all the things. Yeah. So anyways, thank you, friends, for watching and for listening to my tangent. And I will see you later. I'm looking forward to working out. Bye. And I'll start a new vlog with me in the same sweater, because I'll be on my way to the gym. Bye, friends.